The topic we all dream of, but most of us don't quite know how to achieve: passive income. I hope this video will serve as a guide to help you get one step closer to your dreams. The 6 ideas presented here will be relatively lesser-known methods that can yield results more quickly. We will explore practical and actionable ways to generate passive income. Before we dive into the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Turn on notifications to stay updated with new content. The idea of earning an income without having to dedicate any time is likely a topic that many people, including myself, find appealing. In fact, if one wants to live a comfortable life, it's beneficial to focus on this subject. This isn't just a privilege reserved for the wealthy. With a bit of effort, it's something that many people can actually achieve. For those who are unfamiliar with passive income, it can be briefly summarized as a method of earning money through investing in an asset, which then generates income without requiring continuous effort or active participation from the individual. Essentially, a person makes an initial effort to establish a source of passive income and subsequently receives regular income from it without needing to work actively on it continuously. Passive income allows a person to focus their time and energy on other activities. Our time is limited, with only 24 hours in a day, a large portion of which is spent sleeping. Wouldn't it be great if your income wasn't solely dependent on the number of hours you work? Of course, it is important to understand this first. There is no such thing as earning passive income or making money without doing anything. What is meant by passive income is that money is not directly tied to our time. Let's say you write a book. After putting in the effort and finishing it, the book gets placed on shelves. You have invested time and effort to create a product. Now, each time the book is sold, you earn royalties. This is what passive income is. You are literally making money even while you sleep. Print-on-demand is a business model commonly used for books, clothing, home decor, and other product categories. The most popular example is t-shirt printing. In this model, a product is only printed or produced when an order is received. The beauty of this business is that there's no need to keep inventory. The first step in this method is to find a niche by identifying your target audience and products. Think about the theme or design style you want to stand out in. You can create creative and attractive designs, or even simple and minimalistic ones can make a difference. If you lack design skills, you can get help from professional designers or use ready-made designs offered by print-on-demand platforms. Popular platforms include Printful, Printify, and Gelato. While there are other options, these 3 are among the biggest. Key factors to consider when choosing a platform are product variety, print quality, customer service, and pricing structures. After creating your designs on a platform like Printify, the next step is to integrate with an online store on Etsy, Amazon, or eBay. I'll cover these platforms in more detail in other videos. Upload your designs to the chosen platform and set a sale price for each product. When determining the sale price, consider production costs and the platform's fees. Regularly monitor your sales, analyze which products are selling better, and identify which marketing strategies are effective to optimize your approach. It is important to have original designs to avoid copyright issues. It might be helpful to check out the Creative Fabrica website for design resources. In summary, with this model, you only need to focus on the design aspect, and as mentioned, you can even outsource the design to other platforms. The rest is handled by the print-on-demand platforms for a fee. Digital product sales are becoming increasingly popular. If you have skills, experience, or expertise in a particular area, you can write an e-book on that topic. If the digital product you create is genuinely useful, you can be sure it will sell quite easily. Even if it's not an e-book, digital products like habit trackers also fall into this category. The digital nature of these products provides a quicker and more practical solution for both buyers and sellers. Buyers get instant access to the products they want, and sellers don't have to deal with shipping processes. Since these products are mostly one-time creations, they can be sold repeatedly, generating ongoing income. If you have expertise in a particular field, you can monetize that knowledge. The key here is to produce high-quality products that genuinely benefit the buyer. People are always eager to learn new things. In the field of education, video content is in high demand. You can create videos on topics you know and upload them to various platforms. There are many platforms where you can upload your video courses depending on your expertise, knowledge, and hobbies. The most well-known ones are Udemy, Skillshare, and Teachable. Creating video educational content requires some effort, but with our smartphones and good lighting, it is quite possible to create high-quality content. The most important aspect to focus on is the microphone. If the sound quality is good, the rest will be easier to manage. This section is for those who have some interest in software development. In fact, if you have a bit of capital and a good idea, it's worth venturing into this field with an investment mindset, even if you don't know much about software. You can hire freelancers or companies that specialize in this work to bring your idea to life. Moreover, with the advancement of artificial intelligence, there are now platforms where you can develop applications without any coding knowledge. Bubble, Appipi, and Adalo are just a few examples. So, there are many paths available for those who are interested. The key here is your idea rather than the software aspect. It could be a game or a simple office application. Of course, we're not talking about creating something as complex as WhatsApp or Amazon. If your application gets a certain number of daily visitors, you can generate significant income through ads published within the app, which can be a hassle-free revenue stream aside from occasional optimizations, maybe 2 to 3 times a year. If you are interested in photography, it's possible to turn that interest into income. You can earn money by selling your photos online. Essentially, there are 2 methods you can use. The first is selling your photo collections on your own website or on marketplaces like Etsy. For example, you can sell collections of photos based on specific themes, or you can create physical prints of your photos and sell them on sites like Etsy. The second method is easier: uploading to stock photo sites. Photographers can earn money by uploading their high-quality photos to stock photo sites and earning from licensing fees. The most popular sites for this are Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and iStock. Individuals, companies, and media organizations license photos from these sites and pay royalties to the photographers. Once you register on these sites, you need to create a portfolio. Your portfolio should include the photos you have taken and want to license. The more diverse and high-quality your portfolio, the higher your chances of attracting potential buyers. Upload your photos to the platform, and it's important to place each photo in the appropriate category and add descriptions and tags. This makes it easier for potential buyers to find and better match their needs. Uploaded photos usually go through an approval process to ensure they meet certain standards. Each platform has its own acceptance criteria. Once your photos are approved, buyers can purchase licenses to use them. For each download or license sale, a certain amount of money is paid to the photographer. Income is usually calculated on a per-sale commission basis and can vary by platform. Here's a bonus tip for those who have followed along this far. It's also quite clever to use AI applications to create visuals and upload them to some stock photo sites to earn money. Affiliate marketing is an online marketing strategy based on promoting products or services and earning commissions from the sales of those products. This method relies on the collaboration between product owners and marketers. Starting affiliate marketing typically does not require a high initial investment. You can promote products through a website, blog, or social media account. Building a successful affiliate marketing business requires time and consistent effort. It's important not to expect quick results initially. You can implement this method by creating various types of content to promote products such as blog posts, social media posts, and video reviews. We have shared 6 practical and effective methods you can use to generate passive income. Remember, you need to take the first step to try and apply these methods. There are many other methods that can also be included in the topic of passive income, from setting up a website, starting a blog or YouTube channel, investing in the stock market, to renting out real estate. As you can see, there are many ways to generate passive income. You just need to want it and put in some effort and time. But the passive income you will eventually earn is worth the time and effort you put in. We wish you success on your journey to financial freedom. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video for this and more similar content.